Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to an update on Wormhole. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on a wormhole has formed a very huge falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, this was the wedge that I was showing in my previous videos, and you can see that since after April 2024, it is moving inside this wedge. We found a resistance here, then we got rejection, and we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce, another bounce, and now the pricing is once again rejected by the resistance of the wedge. Along with that, it is also rejected by this red line. That is the exponential moving every 21 on the 7-day time frame chart, the EMA 21 resistance. And now Wormhole can test this support of 6.46 cents. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently this 6.46 cents has been working as support here and support here, and for several days it has been acting as a support here as well. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared a few days ago on 13th of July 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 41% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared on 13th of July 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish cipher move that Wormhole completed on a 1 hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very powerful reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 41% pump only on this 1 hour time frame chart. Before that, I shared another trade signal recently, and that was a bullish AB equal to CD move. And by the way, this move I shared on 6th of July 2025 that Wormhole completed with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started another very nice reversal. First, it dropped more down into the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very massive reversal and the price and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was, by the way, almost 33% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Wormhole. And this is the 7-day time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or a few months, it is moving inside this big and long-term falling wedge pattern since after the month of April 2024. We had a rejection here, bounce here, few more rejections here, bounce, another bounce, another bounce, and now the pricing is getting rejected. By the way, this can be a complete support line from 6.46 cents to 5 cents that had been previously acting as a support line here and support line here. You can see that with this support, we also tested the support of the wedge. And again, it can work as a strong support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently for several days or weeks, it has been also working as a support line as well. And slightly lower than this support line, we will have the support of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at 4.4 cents. And it, in my opinion, it will be difficult for the price line to test the support of the wedge this time because you can see that for the past few months, it is not able to break down this support line. And now the movement is quite squeezed, and this falling wedge pattern is also considered as a bullish pass. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. And the movement is quite squeezed, therefore soon we can expect that it can break this pattern to the upside. And this can be also a possible inverse head and shoulder pattern formation as well. It can be the left shoulder, this can be the head. And if the price will be dropped more down once again to test this support line, then it can form the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder, the left shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and then we may see a price reversal to break out the resistance of this wedge. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1.80 to $2. So this also update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.